Yeah, I mean, I think I spoke a good deal on how difficult the decision to turn down the Norwest private equity offer was.
Hmm.
And I think like that enabled me to do a lot of soul searching and like um and self-assessment, which was forced because like it was a necessity. It was part of making that decision. But I think um looking back, I kind of wish I had done that more and earlier in my career rather than just saying like where's the best next place to land. And for me that was like investment banking, private equity, and then like business school. And it turned out that my path was some of that, but some not that. And so I think being open minded and doing a self assessment, as I said, to learn that like, hey, what I really care about is working directly with people who are changing the tech landscape, changing the world, coming up with new ideas. That's what I'm really passionate about. And like whether or not I can build an LBO model in an hour, that's fantastic that you can learn that. But on the other hand, if that's not what you want to do all day, it's good to learn that earlier rather than later. And so I was fortunate to learn it when I did, but I think being self-aware earlier on in your career can be really helpful.